Alright, so in this question, it's given that the pth term of an AP is Q and the qth term is P. So we need to show that its nth term is P plus Q minus N. So we know Tn. Nth term is given by the formula A plus N minus 1 D. Now, what's the pth term? Pth term will be A plus P minus 1 D, which is nothing but Q, and qth term is A plus Q minus 1 D, which is given that it should be P. So just mention these two, and now we have 4 variables. One is A, D, P, Q. So we don't have to worry because the final answer is also in terms of PQ. So that means we don't need to eliminate P and Q. Only we need to either eliminate A or D. Let's try to do that. Now I have written the first equation, A plus B minus 1 is into D is equal to Q, and the second one over here. Now what we do is subtract. From the second equation we subtract the first equation. So A minus A cancels. Here we get P minus 1 minus Q plus 1 times D is equal to Q minus P. Please see here, P minus 1 D minus Q plus 1 times D is equal to Q minus P. Now minus 1 and plus 1 will get cancelled. Here we get P minus Q times D is equal to Q minus P. Now what we do? We write D is equal to Q minus P upon P minus Q. So what is Q minus P upon P minus Q? That will be straight away minus 1, because if I take minus common, we will get P minus Q, so it's minus 1. Using this, I can put the value of D in either first or second. We just put it in the first one, so we get D is minus 1, A plus P minus 1 into minus 1 is equal to Q. So A plus, now what will it be? Let's see, minus 1 into P is minus P, and this will be plus 1 is equal to Q. So A will come out to be P plus Q minus 1. So here is a find. A is P plus Q minus 1 and D is minus 1. Now you can slowly see what has happened in this question. Alright, everyone can take a look. We have written pth term is Q, qth term is P, subtracted, got the value of D as minus 1, and finally put that minus 1 in one of the two equations to get the value of A. So now we have A in hand and D in hand. Next thing they want us to show is nth term. So we know the formula for nth term already. So all you need to do is just put the value of A and D. I put the value of A. A is P plus Q minus 1 plus N minus 1 into D, which is already minus 1. So nth term will become P plus Q minus 1 minus N plus 1. Now minus 1 plus 1 will get cancelled. Answer Tn is equal to P plus Q minus N. So the answer, or we have to prove it, is that the nth term is P plus Q minus N. Right? Okay.